Chris Hanson from Karate Unity. We've just done an excellent 3-hour seminar. Doing great. Thanks for coming over, Chris. I think one thing Chris looked at today was stances and how they can be used to disrupt the legs, and I'll let him talk about that in a second. And what we're going to share with you is I'm going to share with you a drill for the basic stances, so the forward stance, the back stance or the cat stance, and then like the Dachi or Shiko Dachis. So you've got 3 kind of stances there. And then I'll head over to Chris here if you want to talk about the drill you're going to do.
Chris from Karate Unity. Thanks, Leigh, for inviting me. We just had a seminar here in Wickham Judo Center at the UK. One of the things we worked is stance flow and how to combatively use stances and how to train them solo-wise. So one of the things earlier we're doing is we're learning how to use different stances. My Kempo teacher has taught us to use stances as spears. Okay, so there's nothing really stopping us. Like somehow, if you're one coming in on an angle, you can come in angularly and hit this, bam, and you smash in this way. Okay, if you have, let's come over here for a second. If you have an opportunity, say on this side, you can use this to kind of, in drilling, we do this. So you use it to, just throw it down, stuff like that. We were also using, the Dachi. I use this to smash on the inside, so maybe if we could stand over here. Okay, here. So we're cutting in, bam, and smashing this way, or bam, and smashing this way, right? You can use it somehow, you hit them, you loosen up on top, and you've got this pressing kind of motion, where you're pressing down this way, or pressing on an angle, pressing that way, right? We've used the Shiko Dachi to get in, to smash, this way, okay? Using it to throw from here, to throw that way, and pressing, okay. And the cat stance, this is a tribute to Troy Price in North Carolina. Thanks for inspiring me with this kind of stuff. These little bumps, okay. You bump here, smashing this way. So you've got these little tools, where you can shunt here, press here, hit here, okay. You're on an angle, this is ready to go, energized, you can hit in this way. It's all cat stance related because you're loaded on one side and you're throwing in. Some other things too, say you're here, you need to bump, just throw that in. Okay, there's bumps just to work different options.
And just to kind of build on what Chris was saying about using your stances as spears, if I just for Les a second, he pops his right leg in front. We're going to do a little bit of gripping, but that's a whole other story today. So you can work this and there's progressions with gripping, but for now, I'm just going to have just a basic hold because I want to work on the stances. So I want to spear through and use my stance to affect Leslie's stance here. So as I drive forward, I move Les back. Okay, so that's the idea of this forward stance. And then the next part of the drill, if you want to add on the next layer, is to pop into a back stance. Some styles have it long, some a little bit shorter into like a cat stance. This is my preference. Again, it doesn't matter. The idea is I put my weight to my back leg and push back. And I can start to see Leslie's front leg has been loaded up. So my position and my postures have been affecting Leslie's postures here. The final stance to add on this drill is to pop into a Dachi or Shiko Dachi. Now there's 2 things with this. One, I don't want to just reach forward. I want to get my weight central, just like the stance shows you. Your knees, if you're doing a Dachi, you're going to be forward. Shiko, they're going to be out, but never inwards. So whichever way you use this, you've got to make sure your knees point out. And from there, just a little rotate, and you're already putting in position to drop him down. So if you stand up for me, Les, and we just grip up. And again, we can move around, you can start to add on different grips, and then all you want to do is practice your push. Your pull, load that stance, drive in, knees out, and down he goes. And that's just a really quick drill to show you how you can use your stances to affect your partner's body weight.
Hi, I'm Les Bubka, and we just finished the super seminar with Karate Unity and Chris Hanson. We've been recording some stuff on stances with Leigh Sims and Chris Hanson. I hope in this video you're gonna see their approach. Mine is a little bit smoother, so I'm gonna show use of stance of Shiko Dachi or Kiba Dachi if you prefer, with Geden Barai, and entry to set up the Kataguruma, but with entry on your knees. So it's smoother, a bit safer for your opponent, and be a bit quicker, okay? So you're gonna go from entangling and kind of trapping, going, pulling down, stepping over, pushing over. Okay, a bit faster. So I've got something going on here. That's one, and the kataguruma entry. Same, entangling here, I need to take that arm, go under, step in, throw. And from here, going in. Thank you, Leigh. Hope you enjoyed. See you later.
All right. Hey guys, Chris Hanson here, Karate Unity. Just wanted to say thanks for Leigh and for Les. Finally got a chance to meet these two amazing dudes. We've been keeping in touch all throughout this time, the last couple of years anyway. And we got a chance to actually show you some different options today. It's really cool that we can all collaborate together. Les brings a very strong, smooth, biomechanical wrestling kind of flow to our karate. So it was nice to see how we can close that distance and get in, and how we can, you know, it's tougher to pull off some of these techniques when you're really close and tight. So I really appreciated all of the adjustments that we had, and thanks for that. Leigh came in here, and we were doing some other stance options too. I really appreciated how you were using kind of like that seesaw motion. It's very dynamic, where you can insert the stance bumps and disbalancing. So yeah, it was really great to be part of all this. So thank you very much.
Cheers, thank you.